Hello and welcome to What is Chicken Farm? My name is Yemi and I'm a passionate poultry farmer here in Nigeria. On this channel, I'll be showing you real life tips and practical videos from my organic broiler farm, from day old chicks to harvest time. Whether you're just starting your poultry journey or you've been in it for a while, you will learn how to raise healthy chickens without relying heavily on antibiotics or expensive feed. So if you're ready to grow your flock the right way, save costs and avoid common mistakes, you're in the right place. Please subscribe, like and follow my journey. New videos drop every week. Thank you.